Let declare one more variable where I say the company name C name is equal to Forsk, for example. This is our, and now everybody knows that the data type for this is str. So मैं यहाँ पे भी लिख सकता हूँ. Guys, if you do not get the output with this simple statement, just use a print in case you guys do not get the output on console, just use a print statement. Okay, so you get a str. Guys, do you remember those days in the first year when you were asked to calculate the length of a string in C programming? strlen was the function, right guys? Here, if you want to calculate the length of a string, you have a function called len. And in the len, you just have to specify the name of your str string, and it will give you the length. So guys, can you see the length is coming 5? Why the length is coming 5? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the way. And guys, we can access the individual letters as well. As of now, guys, if I say print C name, what will happen? It will print my entire string. Can you see, guys? Forsk is printed. But I can use a mechanism called indexing, which will allow me to access the individual letter as well. So guys, if I say something like C name, then using a square bracket and then writing 0 here, it will only print me the first letter. And what is the first letter, guys? F. Which one? This one. So basically, this mechanism is known as indexing, and the 0 indicates your first letter in the string. Guys, 0 indicates the first letter in the index, So guys, this is known as indexing mechanism. If I want to print the next letter, how I can do that, guys? C name and writing the index 1. So guys, see this? This is the case. It will print O now. Now guys, in Python, let's talk about a little around the string. So guys, the indexing is like that. I'm just going to finish in 2 minutes, guys, okay? Because time is, so guys, let's say we have written like this, F, O, R, S, and K. Can you see, guys? This is there. So guys, in Python, there are two ways of indexing. There are two ways of indexing. One indexing is known as forward indexing. So this would be the index 0. This would be the index 1. This would be the index 2. This would be index 3. And this would be index 4. There is one more way, guys, of indexing, which is known as reverse indexing. In reverse indexing, the last letter is always given index -1. Are you getting it, guys? The last letter. And then this one would be -2, this would be -3, this would be -4, this would be -5. Most of the projects use forward indexing only, but if required, we can go for a reverse indexing as well. Both are supported. So guys, can you give me the answer that what would be printed if I say C name is equal C name and then indexing -1, guys? What would be printed? Can you answer this question, guys? What do you mean by E? The E, what do you mean by this negative or reverse indexing, guys? -1 is what? The last letter. And what is the last letter, guys? K is the last letter for us, right? K is the last letter. C name is the variable name. जिसमें क्या छुपा हुआ है? Forsk छुपा हुआ है, guys. If I print the C name, what do you have? Forsk, right? Guys, do not get C name is an object only, guys. Okay, C name is an object only. So guys, how is the representation? कि ये हमारा memory है. This is our memory area, guys. This is computer memory. And C name is just referring to this. So if I say C name index -1, what will happen, guys? It will access this one, K. It will access this one, K. Are you guys clear about it? right? So now guys, if we print it, you will get the K here. So guys, that's it for tomorrow. That's it for today, not tomorrow, guys.